Okay, this episode is going to be a little bit different. Since I started filming my vlog and posting the videos on YouTube, I've been receiving messages every single week about how I do what I do. So you guys want to know how I trade in order to free up time so I can do whatever I want throughout the week, spending time with my family, going to see friends, get out and about. How have I achieved that freedom? So you guys want to know, in this episode, I'm going to show you exactly how I trade and the system that I use. So let's take a look. So I spent 2 years creating the software that you can see behind me on these screens. And this software pretty much does all of the work for me once it's set up. It's a fully automated trading system. It took me 2 years to create this system. I use it every single day, and it's that easy to use that I also let other people use the same system as me. So this here is the system. It's called Next Gen. You can see at the moment we're in that automated trade. That's going to move on its own. Down the bottom here, you can see all the testing that I do to make sure everything's working well. We've got a beautiful steady climb up there, and you can see that's 108% profit. And you've got a 49% strike rate. It's not that many trades. The one I'm testing at the moment closes half the trades. It's doubled them up, so it's only 500 trades. So GJ's moving very nicely, just under 7K profit there. This is a next gen trade, and I've scaled in twice with my own trading, my manual trading. But this is a funded trading account. Looking to get this one closed up pretty quick, to be honest. I actually have a one-to-one coaching call right now. Then we're going to come back to this, and I'm going to show you in detail exactly what the system does and how easy it is to use. Part of my day today is coaching Donnell. He's a trader. He's booked some one-to-one time with me via Zoom. He's really trying to break into that consistency, and that's what I'm going to help him with today. I'm going to give him those key little tweaks that are going to help him just break through with his trading. I'm going to jump on that right now. So just waiting for Donnell to jump on. What I have here is a full plan, so I do a pre-assessment call. If I'm doing one-to-one with someone, I need to answer a questionnaire, then we jump on a phone call so I can fully prepare for today. So over the course of this session, we're going to get everything out of it that we need to get out of it, and that will 100% help Donnell enhance his trading, that's for sure.
You hear me now?
Yeah, I've got you, mate, yeah. Always at the start of a Zoom, it's like everyone trying to get the audio sorted out all the time. Of course, we've got this bigger downtrend, making lower lows, lower highs, lower low. What's happened here? We've had a higher high above this very important level, which is there. Perfect. So now we've got this nice little level here we can use as a guide. We've got the 50 EMA. We've used our clone trick. We know this is going to be a good level to trade from.
Oh, yes. Yeah, I get it now.
2 hours later.
That's my one-to-one coaching call with Donnell completed. Just closed out a couple of trades there for 2.5 grand. I've got another one running at the moment on this account. I'm going to see how this goes. So I've left the bigger position running with the trailing stop loss, and my 2 scanning positions, close them out to secure some profit. The easiest way for me to show you how this system works will be a screen share. So we jump in that now, but just before I'll show you my setup real quick. So you can see that I have the 5 screens. I don't use this top screen whatsoever. So I'm just about to take that down. I've got these 3 screens that I use. One for my Discord, so I can help any members that need assistance. One just to make sure everything's working okay. Another one for testing. And my main laptop screen is usually just for me, I don't know if you can see that, just plotting data about performance and different strategies. I've got so many different strategies that I can automate, but I'm just like fine tuning them. So that's what I use my setup for. Yeah, I'm definitely going to take this one down. Okay, so this is Next Gen. It's giving me buy and sell signals. Now, I don't need to do anything once I get this buy and sell signal. It will just take the trade for me. And how I get this on my chart is, it's very simple. I go to indicators, I go to my invite only scripts, and there it is. I click it once, it automatically adds to my chart. Then I'll get access to my backend panel that I created that looks a bit like this. So this backend panel here, this is my filters. So basically, how Next Gen works is it will scan the market for you 24/5. It's like your artificial intelligence trading partner. And what it's going to do is going to find the best trade setups. And that's the foundation of Next Gen. And then furthermore, we've got these fantastic trade filters that we can change to any combination that we like to find the absolute best trades. So for example, This here is the US 30 scalp trade 5-minute time frame. This is the preferred settings. So this is the exact strategy that I'm using and many others are using. And this is what it does. It's as simple as that. There's nothing else really for me to tell you because I literally do nothing. This works for me around the clock. I'll show you in action quickly. Okay, so here we can see I've gone back in time now and I'm going to fast forward. So I'm going to go to 10x speed. And what we can do, we can see the signal happen in real time, and then you'll see a sell signal appear. You see the stop loss, and you see the stop loss is now trailing. It's moving into profit. This guarantees us a profit. So the further price moves, the more profit we're going to be guaranteed. We don't have a take profit target. The profits are uncapped. We don't cap them. So we go bang, profit's been made on that one. And then it'll just keep going, keep scanning the market right now. It's scanning for me, trying to find the best setups, trying to find the best trade levels, trying to find the best trade. And once it's completed its mission, it would just take that trade for me. Really, really easy. I'm doing nothing. I can do what I want. I can go out. I can do whatever I want throughout the day. And this is how I do what I do. I used to trade manually, looking for setups. Here we go, another one now. Look at this is a 5-minute time frame, so this would be relatively. I would say maybe like five to 10 trades a week max on this one strategy. But I'm using 3 strategies at the moment. And you can see there now the stop loss is moving into profit. And then that would guarantee me a profit once it hits that red line. So this is a monster trade. They're not all this good, by the way. There's plenty of little ones that stop out with small losses as well, but it's part of the game. So that gives you a really good idea of what I do. Oh, there's another one. See, that was just a little profit. And that's how I've managed to free up so much time by creating systems in my life. And this is just one system with the trading, but creating systems in my life to take away the physical human input, my input. I don't have to sit at a chart now. I don't have to do loads of analysis every single day. I've got a system that's doing that for me 24/5. I don't need to do it anymore. And the system's working. And that frees up hours every single day of my time to do the things that I want to do, the things that I love. Because if you go back to Raw Vlog episode 1, where I take you through where I got stabbed and I nearly died, if I died at that point in my life, would I have really felt happy that I achieved much? No, not really, because at that point, I had just been working loads. Like most of my time was spent just working, trying to make a good life. But a good life, you need time. You need to free up that time, and that's what I do. That's what I help other people do. Just help free up their time to do something that you want to do. Life's too short to be spent at work all the time. Believe me, you've got to work out a way. You've got to work out a system that works for you, not you working for someone else.